Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Denise, and if you are watching me again after watching another video, welcome back, bestie. So today is my birthday, y'all. Yes, it's my birthday, June 21st. I am a Gemini queen with a Cancer cusp, and in true Denise fashion, I waited until the day of to want to do like a cute, quick little photo shoot for myself. So that's what I'm doing. I went to the Goodwill to get like an old book to do like my backdrop, because the theme of it is like chapter 20 something. Like, if you don't know, I'm like a huge SZA fan, and ever since she came out with that album, that has been like my birthday caption ever since, 20 something. Because don't worry about how old I am, just know that I'm 20 something. So that's the theme of it, chapter 20 something. That's what it's going to be. So I got a really cute idea of how I want to do it, and I want to bring you guys along. So I hope you guys love it. Stay tuned. So I can literally count on my hands how many times I've done my makeup myself. So I'm very much still a beginner, so don't judge me. But I think I did pretty good. I was going for like a soft glam matte type of look, and I'm pretty sure I achieved it. But I'm gonna show you guys the products that I use. this is the final look before I start taking the pictures, and yes, it's giving honey, it's giving matte. So this is the setup, and I basically recorded a video in slow motion so that I was able to go back in and screenshot the pictures or poses that I like the most, and I'm going to show you guys the final results. I hope you guys love it, and let me know if you would try this yourself. And this is the finished product. I'm so in love with these pictures. Like, it's giving unbothered, it's giving soft life, bougie, that girl, all of that. And that was what I was going for. So I hope you guys loved this video, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.